Hi guys, it's me. Welcome to another video. So today I am working in my altered book journal. I think maybe I have about 10 more pages left in this journal. So it's getting there. So I wanted to try to use, I really kind of created this background and I can't remember what I used. I think it was with ink or something, but I really love those splotches of color, so I wanted to kind of repeat that, but it didn't work out well. So I tried to use one of my jelly plates, the shape ones, to add watercolor on, and it didn't work out very well, and I was kind of in a hurry to get this page done. So I just got out some watercolors and I'm adding them to the center of the page, and then I'm going to get out some acrylic paint and I'm just going to do some splotches of color. I'm not properly jelly printing, I'm just adding just some messy color on there, which is so much fun. So you'll see that I'm just using my fingers and all sorts of stuff just to get that beautiful texture that a jelly print gives you. And I'm going to use some paper just to kind of add some relief, and I'm going to use just purple and magenta, a metallic magenta, and this turquoise color. That's what's on my desk right now. I'm a weirdo. I use whatever's on my desk. So that's what I am. Sometimes I'm too lazy to get color. So I'll just use whatever's close. So that's what I did for this. Now I'm going to just add some writing. I'm going to write right on that jelly plate with just some messy writing. You're not going to be able to read it, but I know what it says. So yeah, it's wonderful. And that's going to add just another layer of texture. So I'm just going to keep creating visual texture in this page. So you'll see that I'm just working in lots of layers. And now I'm going to kind of recapture those circles, those black circles. I really loved how they turned out, and I have an idea for how I want to use them. So I'm going to add about 5 of them, and it's okay if they overlap, but I just take some black acrylic paint and just paint them in. And I'm going to go over the ones that are already there. So sometimes it's fun when you do random things to kind of come back and see how you can bounce off of those ideas. Because this was just kind of a page where I just used up paint. And then I have to add some splatters because it wouldn't be me if there wasn't splatters, because I love them. So I'm going to wait for this to dry. And then I'm going to go in with a black pen. I took a piece of black paper and I just wrote messy on there. I wrote a poem or something very badly in a messy handwriting. And I'm just going to cut out some circles from there too. I kind of have an idea and I want to use just simple shapes. And this is a postcard that I got in like a paper pack with a journal, a handmade journal from Melissa Berg. So she made this beautiful floral paper that has a bunch of different colors. So I thought that would be cute, just cut out in kind of wonky circles. So I'm just playing with the placement. And then I found this homemade paper from the Dollar Tree. Actually, they had it in packs. They have scrap paper packs and it has handmade paper, so I decided to use that. And you can't really see it on camera, but it has a lot of gorgeous texture, so you'll see at the end, hopefully, all that beautiful texture. So now I'm just going to glue down these circles. I tried not to get in the middle of the spine. That's possible. And I'm just going to use my glue stick. I didn't want these like totally glued down, but if you want them colored glued down, you can use like double-sided tape, which I have over there. So I got both things just in case. The handmade paper is going to come up a little bit, so you'll see that I'm really going to make sure that that's glued down. And the black paper, actually black sketch paper, so it does come up too. And then I got some purple on my circle, so I didn't want to use that one. So you'll see that I'm going to get out some more of that paper and just cut out a little circle. I always do that. I'm a messy artist. What can I say? So we'll do that, which is so much fun. And I just kind of glue down those circles. And then, because the black is completely dry, I let this dry for a couple hours. I haven't been using my heat gun. I've been letting things dry naturally, so I go through those phases. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of outline the circles and kind of bring them out, those black circles. And I'm using a Uniball Signo, and this one happens to work, which I'm very happy about, but I bought a batch of them and 2 of them didn't work, so that's a little bit disappointing, but I was happy that this one did. And sorry I'm out of the camera. I was bringing you in a little bit, but I'm just making dashes in that circle. So you'll see here. And then I'm going to play in this one. And I'm just going to make some like half circle things. Nothing that exciting. And then I will get back into view so you can see. So I just kind of did a starburst effect with that one that you couldn't see. And then I am going to just cut out some words. These are Tim Holtz word stickers. And I think it says embrace beautiful chaos, which I thought was perfect for this page because it is a little bit chaotic, but I love it. And I did get a little bit on the embrace part, and that was going to bother me, but I said let it go. And I'm just going to trace around the stickers just to bring them out a bit. So it's really pretty. And I'm sorry, I have a lot of light that comes in sometimes during the day, so you can't see a lot of the details. And then I'm going to add some stamping. These are some stamps that I got from a wonderful subscriber, so I love to use those whenever I can. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to share. Bye bye.